Now we are going to learn about small data type. It is one of our SQL Server data type, and this data type size is 4 bytes, and it will accept only minutes precision. That range is 1st January 1900 to 31st December 2017. It won't accept year less than 1900 and year more than 2017, and we know that it this precision has only in minutes. So when we try to insert in seconds and fractional seconds, it won't throw error, but it will round to only in minutes. Let's try with some example. Let's drop if that table is existed. Yes. So this table has two columns. One is ID column, second one is small date time column. When I try to execute, it's created. So, and we try to know about small date time. Let's know about some built-in date time functions. Those are get date, system date time offset, system UTC date time. Get date will return only data. See, when I try to keep the cursor on get date, it's showing some intelligence built-in function get date return date time. So it will return date time. So we will learn about this date time, other data types of date time data types. We will learn in future videos. So it will return date time 2, and it will return date time offset. It will return date time 2. So these differences we will learn in future. So when I try to execute this select statement, it has returned some values. See, get date will return seconds with three fractional seconds, but system date time will return get date with 7 fractional seconds. See, after dot it has a 7 fractional seconds. System date time offset will return same as system date time, but it will also return the difference between present system date time and a universal system date time. So this is the India. This system date is related to based on the India country. So India country has 5 hours 30 minutes more time than universal time. So this is the UTC time. It is correctly universal time is 17 hours 37 minutes 42 seconds. And when I try to add this 5 hours 30 minutes, it will be a India time. So let's know about more on SQL Server small date time. So when I try to insert this into our table small date time, it has, you know, already it has fractional seconds. When we try to insert date time with the fractional seconds, it will accept, but it won't show these seconds and fractional seconds. Instead of that, it will round that seconds and fractional second to minutes. So let's try to execute this. See here, when I execute the select statement, so it is not showing, it is showing only 0 seconds, but it is showing in minutes. See here, 23 hours 10 minutes 23 hours. This is the value. It won't throw any error if you try to insert date time with fractional seconds, but it will round that value to minutes. When I try to insert these 10 records, let's try to truncate first, so that we do not have any confusion with the previous values. Let's try this 10 records insert. Once we insert, let's execute the select statement. See here, this is the ID one has, see here value, and compare with here 23 hours. See, let's compare with the seconds time. 23 hours 4 minutes 0 seconds. Here 23 hours 3 minutes 30 seconds with 940 fractional seconds. So it will round that fractional seconds and fractional second values to minutes. so it is rounded to 4 minutes. 3 minutes 30 seconds to 4 minutes, so it will round the values. So it won't accept fractional seconds, it will be round to minutes. So let's try the failure values. See here, the small date time range is 1st January 1900 to 31st December 2079. If I give less than 1900, so the year is 1468, which is less than 1900 year, and year is 2194, which is also more than 2079 year. So when I try to insert these two values, it will be definitely fail. See here, out of range. So this is about small date time data type in SQL.